Yo, it's SmallmouthCrush. Wanted to make a quick video explaining my partnership with a brand new company that's out there called Monster Bass. Monster Bass, the better box. It's gonna be pretty cool, but I gotta break it all down for you guys. A real quick video. It's all coming up. Have you guys heard about Monster Bass? So that's what I want to talk about. Monster Bass. If you haven't heard about them, you're certainly going to in the future. I teamed up with them. I started working with Monster Bass when they first came out earlier this spring. And all it is a subscription box that's way better than the other subscription boxes that are out there. And here's why. We're going to be able to give you guys baits that you're going to actually want to use and that will catch fish. So a lot of boxes that are out there are going to throw some generic, off-brand, made-up brand name baits. We're going to keep everything legit, and you're actually going to have regional experts picking out the baits. So for the Northeast region, I'm kind of partial to that zone, you're actually going to have a guy like me, SmallmouthCrush, determining out of a list of baits that they send me, which ones I think are going to work best for you guys for that specific region that you're fishing. And that's done all throughout the US. So if you're in another part of the country, you're going to have someone picking out the baits for the South, an expert picking out the baits for the Midwest. So it's a really, really neat concept, and it's full of great baits. It's full of baits that you're going to actually be able to go out and catch a fish with, because that's the whole goal. So I actually have a lot of input what goes in these boxes, and I also get a lot of baits to test out. So for instance, actually this was this month's box. Here we go. So for instance, this box came the other day. Unbox again. So for instance, this box got mailed to me the other day, and it's not what you guys are getting in the subscription, but it's a bunch of topwater baits that I get to test out and share my feedback and see if they're going to make the team. Well, I already caught a couple fish on this little guy here, so I know that they're going to make the team. So that's cool. I'm able to actually go out, test these baits, give feedback to the company. You're actually going to be able to do that as well. So when you subscribe to Monster Bass, the better box, you'll actually be able to share with them your thoughts on the baits. They're very active on social media. In fact, in the description below, I'm going to send you to their Instagram link, their YouTube channel. I actually put a lot of content on Monster Bass's YouTube channel as well. So besides the videos that I put out on this channel, if you head on over to Monster Bass YouTube channel and subscribe to that, you're going to see videos from myself as well as other anglers that are representing Monster Bass throughout the country. And we put out some really good information above and beyond what you're going to find on our individual channels as well. So it's real cool. Actually, the last 2 months here, a lot of the baits that I talk about on my channel all the time, the Z-Man, Big TRD, came in this box. We actually have a really cool, well, this is the Bailey Bango Lure. I'm going to be making a video on this bait. It's a really cool little twitch bait, topwater bait. But man, we got space monkeys in here, rage craws, I mean, spinner baits, rattle traps, colors that actually work, baits that actually work. I mean, it's awesome. It explains the different brands, and then of course we're going to put up videos explaining how we fish these baits, how we put, how we catch more and bigger fish using these baits that are found in the Monster Bass box. So a lot of time and energy and expertise went into picking out what baits go into these boxes every month. And I encourage you guys, if you're interested in a subscription service like this, what's neat about this is not only you're going to get the right kind of baits that we would recommend, you're also going to probably get baits that you would never have purchased from a retailer or online. Something that's somewhat, perhaps different, new, that you've never thrown. And now that you have a bait, you get to test it out, you get to use it, you get to see, if it'll work for you, if you can gain some confidence in that bait. And that's going to help you. It's going to help you kind of move out your comfort level as well. So I'm excited for the Northeast region to be able to make videos, to be able to pick out the different baits that are going to be in these boxes. We have a whole bunch of great YouTubers that are helping out and representing monster bass out there. So when you head over to the to the Monster Bass YouTube channel, not only are you going to watch my videos that I put out on a regular basis, you're going to see all kinds of guys that have some killer content, killer channels out there, and they're really doing a good job representing monster bass. And I just love it. I love what the company stands for. I love the fact that we have a say in it, and I love the fact that you guys are going to get baits that actually work. That's the main thing. All right, please follow us on social media. I'm going to have the links in the description below as far as Monster Bass goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Head over to Monster Bass's channel, subscribe to them. Subscribe to all the guys that are doing all the good work here at Monster Bass. So in the description below, there's going to be a link. I think it'll have a code. It'll help you get a little discount on your first box. All right, give Monster Bass a try. And as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.